We keep moving forward. We're always exploring, making benefits for human health, creating world-class molecular diagnostic products. We use innovative technology to explore the source of life vitality. Since then, we know what the future looks like. It is inclusive. It is also diversified. Innovation for the future derives from the vision of the life sciences. Tianlong, since its founding, upholds the philosophy of serving the public with science and technology, dedicated to the R&D of instruments and reagents in the field of biomolecular diagnoses and the overall solutions provided. Bring technology to life. As one of the innovative leaders in genetic testing and molecular diagnoses in China, Tianlong, based on the market needs for medical diagnoses, biological testing, personalized medical care, food safety, inspection and quarantine, life science, medical research and medical training. We have successfully established 3 subsidiaries: Xi'an Tianlong, Suzhou Tianlong Biotechnology, and Wuxi Ruqi Gen Biotech. Tianlong has been developed as a full-chain medical and health industry group with IVD products, medical laboratory services, and co-building clinical lab. Relying on its powerful R&D and technical support, Tianlong had successfully undertaken the National Major Scientific Instrument and Equipment Development Program, National High-Tech R&D Program, 863 Program, National Science and Technology Support Plan, and more than 40 provincial and municipal major scientific research and industrialization projects. Products include nucleic acid extractor, real-time PCR system, and other instruments and equipment for gene testing and molecular diagnoses. The group also has a good reputation for its large automated nucleic acid detection workstation and over 100 kinds of reagents. With the development of the market and the continuous enrichment of the company's product, the company has set up 7 sales areas in China covering the Northwest, North China, Southwest, Northeast, East China, Southern China, and Southwest. Medical Division, Life Sciences Division, Overseas Business Division, and Personalized Medication Project Team have been established. The complete service architecture and commitment to excellency services create sustainable development values for partners. Our products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world, serving more than 200 overseas customers. We have established friendly and cooperative relationships with well-known molecular diagnostic enterprises from Italy, Denmark, Turkey, Dubai, Singapore, South Korea, Japan, and other countries. Product quality and service level have been widely recognized by customers both at home and abroad. Tianlong joined hands with SK Group from South Korea and Shanghai Kehoa Bioengineering for strategic cooperation. Both parties took in-depth cooperation in the product line, channel, market, and after-sales services for molecular diagnosis, achieving a win-win situation, jointly building a world-class molecular diagnostic enterprise. Having great love in heart and staying true to the mission are the dreams all along carried by Tianlong as a Chinese enterprise. Create a future for healthy life through science and technology. Let more people see the color of their dreaming life. The Chinese enterprise, good at obtaining knowledge by innovation, is doing extraordinary things for mankind.